Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. And do not forget to give your feedback and comments below.
Now you can experience the convenience of clear, clean, great-tasting water for drinking or cooking right at your kitchen sink by installing the Culligan Easy Change drinking water filtration system with dedicated faucet. This premium under-sink filtration system, available in 3 different models with 3 different levels of filtration, is quick and easy to install and avoids the mess of changing out traditional cartridges experienced with other under-sink systems. To replace a cartridge, just twist and pull down to remove, and push up and twist to install a new one. Most importantly, the Culligan Easy Change filtration system begins to impact the quality and flavor of your water immediately. For up to 1 year between filter cartridge changes, this system reduces chlorine by up to 97% and particulates by up to 99%, while reducing bad taste and odor and other contaminants such as lead, cysts, and VOCs.
Introducing Extract Filter Mode from Pfister, the better jobby-reducing water filtration technology. Engage the extract mode and treat yourself to a glass of clean, jobbyless water. It's that simple. Other brands use single-stage filters, which leave behind what scientists refer to as a whole shitload of crap. The advanced Pfister Extract Mode features GE's 2x high-flow filtration system, scientifically tested to remove like 1 kabillion times more of those little jobbies, twice as quickly as single-stage filters, compared to grapefruit-size faucet add-ons and heavy water jugs. Extract is more convenient and more awesome. For the purest, cleanest, most refreshing water available, the choice is clear. Part faucet, part filter. The new Clarify faucet from Pfister.